Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Boost TV. I'm Emma.
And I'm David. Today's episode is powerful because we're talking about something that can completely change your English fluency.
Exactly. Today's topic is train your brain to think in English. Do this every day.
If you've ever struggled to speak English quickly or found yourself translating from your native language in your head,
this episode is for you.
Segment 1. Why thinking in English matters. Let's start with a simple question. Emma, why is thinking in English so important?
Great question. The biggest problem English learners face is translation. You think in your language first, then translate into English.
And that causes delays, hesitation, and mistakes.
Exactly. But when you think directly in English, your brain becomes faster. Speaking becomes natural.
It's like upgrading your brain's operating system.
Yes, English OS version 2.0. Segment 2. Step 1. Start with simple thinking. Okay, step 1. Start small.
Don't try to think complex sentences right away.
Instead, begin with simple thoughts. For example, I am walking. I am hungry. This is my phone.
Say these in your mind throughout the day.
Even better, describe what you're doing right now.
Like, I'm sitting, I'm listening, I'm learning English.
This builds a habit, and habits are powerful.
Segment 3. Step 2. Describe your environment. Here's a fun exercise. Look around you.
Yes, wherever you are right now, your room, your office, outside.
Describe everything in English.
For example, the wall is white. There's a chair. My phone is on the table.
This trains your brain to connect real life with English words.
No translation, just direct connection.
Segment 4. Step 3. Talk to yourself. Now, this might sound a little strange.
But it works amazingly well. Talk to yourself. Yes, speak your thoughts out loud.
For example, what should I eat today? Maybe I will drink coffee. I need to finish my work.
Don't worry about mistakes. This is practice, not perfection.
The goal is fluency, not grammar accuracy at first.
Segment 5. Step 4. Think in English daily. Routine. Consistency is key. You need to do this every day.
Even 5 to 10 minutes daily can change your brain.
Here's a simple routine. Morning. Think about your plans in English. Afternoon. Describe your actions. Night. Review your day in English.
For example, today I woke up early. I worked on my project. I watched a video.
This builds fluency naturally over time.
Segment 6. Common mistakes to avoid. Let's talk about mistakes.
Big one. Don't translate.
Yes, if you don't know a word, use a simpler word.
Another mistake. Trying to be perfect.
Perfection slows you down.
Fluency comes first. Accuracy comes later.
Segment 7. Bonus tip. Use visual thinking. Here's a powerful bonus tip. Think in images.
Instead of translating words, connect English directly to images.
For example, when you see an apple,
Don't think the word in your language first. Just think, apple.
this is how native speakers think.
Segment 8. Final challenge. All right, let's give our listeners a challenge.
For the next 24 hours,
Try to think in English as much as possible.
start simple, stay consistent.
And don't give up.
If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to English Boost TV and share this with a friend who wants to improve their English. We'll see you in the next episode. Keep practicing.